Did you know that your body is made up of about 20% protein? That's right. Protein is like the building block for everything in your body, from your muscles to your hair and nails. And collagen? It's a special kind of protein that keeps your skin looking young and bouncy, your joints moving smoothly, and even your gut happy. But here's the thing. You need to keep supplying your body with enough protein and collagen through your diet. Think of it like building a house. You need a constant supply of bricks and mortar to keep it strong and sturdy, right? The same goes for your body. That's why I'm going to share some super easy and delicious ways to make sure you're getting enough of these essential nutrients every single day. No complicated recipes or fancy ingredients, I promise.
Know you've been a good friend.
Protein is essential for a healthy body. It helps build and repair tissues, makes enzymes and hormones, and keeps your immune system strong. Think of it as the powerhouse nutrient that keeps everything running smoothly. Collagen, on the other hand, is like the glue that holds everything together. It's found in your skin, hair, nails, bones, joints, and even your gut lining. Collagen helps maintain skin elasticity, strengthens bones, supports joint health, and even aids digestion. Not getting enough protein and collagen can lead to various health issues, such as muscle loss, weak bones, joint pain, slow wound healing, and premature aging. But don't worry, it's easy to boost your intake with a few simple tweaks to your diet. First things first, let's talk about protein. The good news is that adding more protein to your meals doesn't have to be complicated. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. Think scrambled eggs with veggies, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or a protein smoothie with spinach and banana. For lunch and dinner, include lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, beans, or lentils. Even snacks can be a great opportunity to sneak in extra protein. Try a handful of almonds, a hard-boiled egg, or some cottage cheese with fruit. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Section 4. Sneak in collagen. It's easier than you think. Now let's talk about collagen. While you can get collagen from foods like bone broth, chicken with skin, and fish with bones, sometimes it's easier to supplement. Collagen peptides are flavorless powders that dissolve easily in hot or cold liquids. Add a scoop to your morning coffee, smoothie, soup, or even sauces. You won't even taste it, but your body will thank you. Plus, there are tons of collagen supplements available in the form of capsules, gummies, and even protein bars, making it super convenient to incorporate into your routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to both protein and collagen. Aim to include them in your diet daily to reap the full benefits. Section 5. Your next delicious bite awaits. Adding more protein and collagen to your diet doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different recipes and flavor combinations. Remember, nourishing your body should be enjoyable. Here's a valuable tip. When choosing collagen supplements, opt for hydrolyzed collagen peptides, as they are easier for your body to absorb. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to add protein and collagen to your diet? Share your tips and questions in the comments below.